Polaris Ranger is one of the most reputed and top-of-the-range UTV which is preferred for both work as well as play. There are very few problems which have been reported as far as Polaris Ranger is concerned. However, having said that, it's not true to say that it never ever has faced a problem. Just like any other UTV, Polaris Ranger also suffers from few problems due to general wear and tear. So why it come Polaris Ranger grinding noise in front end? If you have experienced a Polaris Ranger grinding noise in front end, then it is best to take corrective actions as soon as possible, as leaving it can do more damage and can also lead to a complete breakover of the vehicle. Before getting into our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It means a lot to us. And if you are interested in reading such insightful content about UTV, visit our website www.offroadingutv.com. Link is given in the description. Let's back to the video. The most common cause of Polaris Ranger grinding noise in the front end is wear off of the wheel bearing, incorrect alignment, brake pads not working properly, problems in the suspension, etc. Other than these, there are many other problems. However, the good part is that repair of these problems is easily available with the help of a professional mechanic. The repair and replacement cost varies depending upon several factors such as the labor charges, age of the vehicle, the extent of the problem, etc. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website, link given in the description. Now, what is the cause of Polaris Ranger grinding noise in front end and its solutions? It's a matter of fact that grinding noise in front end in Polaris Ranger should not be taken lightly. One must ascertain the causes of the problem and thus resort to some solution. Polaris Ranger grinding noise in front end. What is the cause of Polaris Ranger grinding noise in front end and its solutions? Worn wheel bearings. Examine wheel bearings for wear or damage. Wheel bearings that are worn or broken should be replaced with new ones. Lubricate the bearings properly. Faulty CV joints. Examine CV joints for signs of wear, torn boots, or damage. Replace worn-out CV joints or boots. Grease the CV joints according to the manufacturer's instructions. Differential problems. Examine the differential for broken or worn gears. As needed, replace defective differential components. Lubricate the differential properly. Components that are loose or damaged. Examine the suspension, steering, and braking components for any loose or damaged parts. As needed, tighten or replace any loose or broken parts. Incorrect alignment. Check the wheel alignment. Adjust the alignment to the manufacturer's recommendations. For exact alignment adjustments, seek expert help. Brake pads or rotors that have become worn. Examine the brake pads and rotors for signs of excessive wear. Replace old or broken brake pads and rotors with new ones. Check the operation of the brake calipers. Suspension that is loose or misaligned. Examine suspension components for loose or worn components. And so on. Thank you. That is for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video.